Hi, I'm Casey, your product specialist here at EarthWay, and today we're going to assemble the 80-pound broadcast spreader known as the 2050P. And the P just stands for the pneumatic tire because there's a different model with a plastic tire. It's a really easy assembly, doesn't require any tools. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit this way, and you'll notice that the handle is folded down, which is a really nice feature for compact storage, whether you're storing this in a shed, a garage, even possibly an attic during off-season time, so it makes it a lot smaller footprint. The handle will just simply pop up, and as we do, you want to be careful that this cable doesn't get caught up in anything. There we are. And then you'll notice there's two tabs in these upper holes that lock it into place. You'll know it's right there. And then we're just going to tighten these wing nuts down. You don't need a wrench to tighten those down. You just want to get them good and tight with your hand, and that will be sufficient for what you're doing because it is a carriage bolt and it holds in place. Now that the handle is assembled, I'm going to go ahead and ensure that the cable drive works here, which it does. It opens and closes hopper fully. There you have it. The 80-pound broadcast spreader by EarthWay, the 2050P, is now assembled, ready to use. Visit us at earthway.com for additional content and videos. I'm Casey, your product specialist. Thanks for tuning in.